Most businesses fail for one reason. They don't actually understand their customers. They think they do, but they're only guessing, basing decisions on assumptions instead of real data. They guess, they assume, and they use outdated tactics that really don't work anymore. They're stuck in the past, running plays from a playbook that no longer really wins games. The biggest mistake is that they don't focus on what actually matters, getting the customer to care. If people don't care, they don't buy. And if they don't buy, your business is going to die. So people don't want more ads. They don't want more noise. They want something worth their time. They're drowning in content. So if you're not adding value, you're just adding to the noise. So if you're going to the market, do it right. Make something that they actually want to see. Because if it's not worth their time, they won't give it their attention. And attention is the currency of business today. Great marketing isn't about pushing your message. It's about making people really want to listen. It's the difference between shouting into the void and then starting a conversation that people actually care about. Before you sell, ask yourself this question: would you watch this? If the answer is no, start over. If you wouldn't stop and pay attention, why would anyone else? The key to all of this is just listening. The businesses that are winning out there are the ones that listen better than their competition. If you want people to care about what you do and about what you have, start by caring about them. Care enough to understand their problems, care enough to provide solutions, care enough to make it easy. Social media gives you a superpower. It tells you exactly what your customers are thinking. It's a free focus group 24/7, and yet most businesses ignore it entirely. Instead of guessing, just read what they're already saying. Then, after that, give them what they want. They're giving you all of the answers. They're telling you what they love, what they hate, and what they're still looking for. Your job is to just pay attention. The best businesses don't invent problems. They just fix the ones that people are already complaining about. Find the frustration and build the solution. It's just that simple. Fast food drive-thrus, how'd they come about? Well, someone realized that everybody hates waiting, so they removed the wait. They took an existing behavior, grabbing food and making it faster, more convenient, and more valuable. That's all great marketing is, solving problems that people already have. It's not about creating demand, it's about meeting demand in a way that no one else does. So the difference between winning and losing, what you do with that information, that's going to change the game for you. Most businesses collect data and then do nothing with it. The best ones take action immediately. The internet changed everything. You don't need permission to tell your story anymore. Gatekeepers are all gone. The tools to reach millions are in your hands. Use them. You don't need an agent. You don't need a network. You don't need a publisher. You just need something worth saying. Your story is your leverage, and the only thing that's stopping you is the fear of putting it out there. I've been there. But here's the challenge. It's never been easier to post, and it's never been harder to get the attention of people you're posting to. Everyone is posting. Everyone is trying. The ones who win, they know how to stand out. The game's changed. Attention spans are shorter. Algorithms are brutal. If you're not capturing the attention in the first 3 seconds, you've already lost the game. But one thing still wins, and that's a great story. A compelling message beats a fancy production every single time. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have the perfect lighting. You don't need to have the perfect microphone. You don't even need high production. You need a message that's so strong that people stop scrolling because they have to hear what's next. If you can make them care, you can make them buy. Patience is the cheat code. Long-term thinking is a superpower because almost no one has it. Most people lose because they're too impatient to build something real. So they chase shortcuts, shiny objects. They get frustrated when they don't work, and then they quit before they see any results. They want it now. They chase quick wins, and then they burn out before they ever see any results. They just don't realize that the best businesses are built on compound interest, small wins stacking over time. But business is the long game. If you can't think in years instead of days, you're already starting to lose. The ones who win are the ones who play with the future in mind, not just the present. If what you're doing is working, you won't have to force it. Your results will tell the story. And if it's not working, pushing harder doesn't fix it. You need to pivot, refine, realign, and adapt. The best brands don't rely on paid ads forever. They build something so good that people talk about it for them. Word of mouth, that's not luck. It's the result of doing something worth talking about. The secret is to play the long game, build something worth sharing, and then give it time. If you're thinking short term, you'll always be chasing. If you think long term, the game starts chasing you. So your competition, they're running. Let them. They're sprinting toward quick wins while you're building something they won't be able to catch up to. You're building a foundation that lasts. And the ones who build the solid foundations are the ones who will win in the end. This is the difference between being another forgettable brand and creating something legendary. Forget about chasing the algorithm. Focus on being so good that the algorithm cannot ignore you. Take everything that I just said and apply it, not just to your business, but also to your life, because how you do one thing is how you do everything. Listen more than you talk, respect people's time, play long-term games with long-term people, and that's how you build relationships. That's how you build wealth and a reputation that lasts. If this is resonating with you, let me know. Drop a comment. Tell us what your biggest takeaway is, because execution is everything. And the first step is just saying out loud what you're going to do next. If you want even more, check out the link in the description. We've got a free group called the Marketing Lab. It's a free school community. I'd love for you to join. I'll see you in the next video.